Good morning children, class 7th. Today I will continue the kingdom classification part 2, name of the chapter, and today I will discuss about the protozoa. Proper name is protozoa. See, this is the meaning of protozoa. Protos means primitive, zoon means, as you know children, that is animal. So protozoa belongs to those animals which are very primitive in nature, very primitive in function, and very primitive in their own functions. So they are belonging to the protozoa. So as children you know, primitive means very simple. So these are the very simplest animal among all, as the mammals are the most complex animal and protozoan are the most simplest animal in this world. So first we will discuss about their habitat. They may be present in water also. They may be marine, means they may present in the sea water. May they present in the soil also, or some protozoans are parasitic in nature. As children we have malaria disease, we can get the dysentery. All these diseases we can get by the parasitic protozoan. Next character. They are having different shapes of their body, but for that exception, amoeba, it is amoeba. Amoeba have no shape in their body. Only they have one nucleus and some other parts, or you can say some other organelles are also there, which you can understand afterwards. But only because of the simple nature of it, they have no body shape also, and nucleus will do the other work, and they are mostly all of them are unicellular. So that's why in their body there is one cell. But they can move. So for their movement they have some different types of organ. As the amoeba have pseudopodia. As the children you know, pseudo words means false. Podia word means legs. So they have false legs. Why it is false? Because they never remains in the proper shape. In that case, so if they have to move this direction, they throw their pseudopodia towards this and drag their body parts towards the direction, proper direction. So their legs or pseudopodia or their pods will never be in their own position. That's why name is given pseudopodia. Some of them have flagella. Flagella means there is long thread-like structure, as we found in Euglena. Some of them have cilia. Cilia means small, as you have small hairs are present in our brush, like that cilia are also present on their body, which help in their movement. So those who have cilia, that means one example for cilia it is paramecium. But children you should know, cilia, flagella, everything, they have the same origin, or their basic nature will be the same, only they are smaller in size as cilia. Flagella will be longer in size, that is the difference. Acha. Some protozoans have green pigment also, they can prepare their food. So exceptional cases we will study afterwards in the higher classes. So these are the main characters of the protozoan, and main character they are having simple body, they are having simple function, they are unicellular in nature, body have different shapes, oval, rounded, elongated, whatever. They have pseudopodia, flagella, cilia for their movement, and for their excretion, as in the cell there is food vacuole and other vacuoles. So food vacuoles will help in digestion and contractile vacuole will help in the excretion. So they have contractile vacuole for their excretion. Enough. This is for only that protozoa. Now children, I will give you some long questions to complete in your copy. See, in the previous chapter I have not given the long question. Now I am giving these two questions from the previous chapter. With the help of reaction, explain the process of photosynthesis. You have to explain the process of photosynthesis and you have to write the reactions. And second question, with the help of the reactions, explain about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Here the differences I have given earlier, but today I am giving the long question, that is aerobic and anaerobic respiration. You have to explain it very well along with the reactions. Now question number 3 from this chapter. This is a long question. Mention 4 or 5 characters about each phylum. That means either in vertebrate or in invertebrate. So vertebrate have 5 phylums and invertebrate have 9 phylums. So these phylums you have to explain along with their 4 to 5 characters each and with the help of diagram. See, for vertebrate, rohu for the fish species, frog for the amphibia, snake for the reptilia, pigeon for the aves and rat for the mammal. And for invertebrates, amoeba is for protozoa, sponges porifera, hydra, coelenterata or cnidaria, tapeworm, platyhelminthes, ascaris for nemathelminthes, earthworm for annelida, cockroach for arthropoda, snail for mollusca and starfish for echinodermata. So children, now the chapter will be over and all these questions you have to complete in your copy. Thank you children. God bless you.